What's up, guys? Welcome back to Josh Lifestyle JA, and today we're here with a brand new video, guys. So what we're doing, we're gonna do some camping, guys. Same time AJ.
Yo, active on my side. What's up, guys? You know, I'm back here trying to smash. Start out to fire and get it on.
Yeah. So guys, what we'll do today, well, what we'll do so far is we set up the tent. See me, guys. Also, AJ went ahead and put up some mosquito destroyer. So yeah, guys, the place is looking nice. Yeah, man, the place well clean up and everything. So guys, what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna start off with breakfast, then we're gonna look for some lunch, and then we're gonna prepare dinner, which is some rice and peas and some chicken, guys. So go on, stay tuned, go and watch how I go on. The day gonna be epic, guys. Yeah, man, we pull out the tent because maybe rainfall, guys. The sky is looking a bit overcasted. So yeah, man, guys, go on, lock in, go and watch how I go on. I'm gonna show you what we carry today. Alright, guys, check in again. So alright, this is everything now, guys. So we have natural seasoning, potatoes, what this say, and we have some bula sugar. I know now wonder what we are use this for do. But we're gonna see soon, guys. Yeah, guys, I want to show you something real quick. AJ, there I start the fire. So we're gonna check it back on AJ, but guys, take a look at this tree right here. Wow. So right here what we have is a wild jackfruit tree, guys. So see this, and then look at this tree. Easy to climb, you know, guys. easy to climb, trust me. So let's see what I go on. Come on, guys, the jackfruit tree are nice. And you can see it's really old because that's like some other trees growing from it. But yeah, guys, trust me, we in the wilderness. We're not short of food. Eh? Yeah. So guys, go on, lock in. Yeah, man, the tent, we set it up from earlier. It's looking really nice. Take a look. So guys, what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna start off with breakfast, then we're gonna move to lunch, which we're gonna find some wild fruit, some wild stuff we can use to eat. You see me, guys? Like the berries, guava, even the jackfruit. So we're gonna try to find some stuff because we never pack for lunch, guys. So after we do that, then we're gonna make the rice and peas. So go on, lock in, go and watch how I go on. We'll make some raspberry jam for eat to the bulla, and then we'll kick off the day. So yeah, man, guys, go on, lock in, and yeah, man, blessings to everyone watching. Big up everybody watching this live premiere right now. Yeah, man, that is it. Enough respect. Alright, peeps, so let me show you what inside I tent. Basically we have all of we things them we can't get wet just in case rain fall. So phone, power bank, everything inside of the tent. It's looking nice. And guys, you know this tent is sponsored by Atepa. The sleeping bag is sponsored by Ogre. Yeah, man, so big up to sponsors them as well. We can't leave them out, guys, you know. So yeah, man, we also have a waterfly travel bag, lightweight. So yeah, man, that's what I use the sponsor things them. So guys, what we are doing right now, start up the fire, get the raspberry jam going, and we're gonna devour that with a piece of bulla, and then we're gonna hunt for some food. So go on, lock in, go and watch how I go on. That is it. We're gonna look some fire stick.
Orange juice?
Orange juice? Oh guys, we have an orange tree right here as well. I don't know if you can see. So trust me guys, we can't short of food in this jungle. So go on lock in, go and watch our gun, that is it. Alright guys, we move out, left the tent. AJ, I gonna start the fire. I'm gonna look some fire stick. Guys, so man, we are going at the berry field. I don't know if you remember the berry field from last video. But yeah, this is where we get the raspberries. So wow. And just today alone, after we harvest pretty much most of it, you can see that they're already flourishing once again. So yeah man guys, as me say, fire stick. So yeah, the rain look like it really wanna fall guys, but we're not 100% sure. I did check the weather forecast and it's a 30% chance. So that's why you see me in the windbreaker. If rain for fall, not gonna affect me. I have the tent, so you know we're go good guys. That is it. I don't know if you can hear the river guys, the river down there, so you know, but we're gonna walk past that for now. Try to see if we can get some fire stick. We have some pine tree right there guys. You don't know pine tree good for starting fires. Trust me. So I care about some of them. You know that I crawl while I'm going guys. But yeah man piece, so I get some more. Alright, I see a nice piece right there so. And pine have wax. So them and I go stop burn for a good while. So go on lock in guys. May I get some of them harvested, then check in back with you guys. So that is it. Alright guys, check in now. So we are walk over the tent now. See AJ. AJ, fire start up.
Yeah man, it start up bro.
Yeah. Alright. Get some stick bro.
Respect,
yeah, get some more.
Respect, bro.
Yeah. Alright. AJ fire. Guys, I get some more stick. We need to get this fire going ASAP because I actually feel hungry. So go on lock in same way. And watch how I go on guys. Soon check in. Alright. Go see where I'm going with guys because there's enough smoke, you know them say. Where see smoke, there's a fire.
On time from a river. You know, mosquito boy make a one river, so you know, I be a bush want more smoke to come on the place to kind of smoke out. It's them look a bug ya. Them bug ya. So by the time I see when this done burn out completely,
yeah,
we're gonna go for more like deeper woods because them with Josh the guys not this year burn, but they kinda wet inside.
Yeah, we know. Yeah. But them have like wax.
Pine wax. So pine wax.
Catch,
the pine wax, yeah. So the thing is, just want this to burn out. So it's when it's burn out and everything like smoke out and curb everything, it's like hot enough so we can put on some more like bigger stuff like this in there, you know?
Yeah.
Bigger stuff like this. So just put them to the side and just go and make the place air out a little bit and then we start, you know? That's really it. So yeah, let's get the job.
Yeah, bro.
Let's get to working.
So, guys, me I do my part, AJ I do film part. Yeah man, so AJ can't ball for lumber now, you know bro.
Can't ball.
Yeah, bro.
So you say by the time they are born out, I'm supposed to, they can come do your look, you know?
Yeah.
Bro, so.
Alright. Yeah guys, so AJ, tell what you had bro.
Bro, so like what I'm doing for some people who don't know, so the original bushman and we watch a video and I say, what am I doing? I waste the fire and this and that and no, you have to understand people. Mosquito run like mosquito, a bite hot. So what we're doing, what I'm doing, what I learned, right, is that I'm just getting the smoke up. So I'm using green and kind of dampish leaves to control the fire in our way. It's when everything really burn out and gone onto the crust and we can start putting the lumber in it and make it get hot and everything there. Yeah, so I'm just really getting rid of the bugs because the bugs are killing us. And by the time we even go back out there and go back to the river, you're supposed to cool off and come and relax and nice to go sunny dinner in the bush. Because I know enough people now cook sunny dinner in the bush, you know. Like me I tell, enough people now cook sunny in the bush, you know, bro.
Yeah man, so we have a fire starting up right here. Yeah. man, guys. So, yeah, guys, as you can see, here I will clean up and everything. So, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get the raspberry jam going when the fire fully catch. You see me? So, yeah, guys, how am I? Goat? Hey, did you see this?
Watch out. No, imagine we there late night and we see that turn up. Run left here.
Yeah, but I run left here too. Oh, now I go. Come here. Yeah, man, peace. But yeah, man, it's a nice day. After we get the breakfast finished up, we're gonna take a swim, get some lunch, put on the peas to go and cook, and then so I do chicken after. So guys, go and lock in, go and watch out, go and AJ, how you started so?
Boss, me I try to keep the little cause that's after the cooking thing, so I have to get something for the bug. And here can say we got bug come back,
Yeah.
When they start come back, as this out, bug can start come back, so I have to get this running, Our friend then gone walk up the hill.
Then gone back.
Then gone.
Yeah. So what the other one there you have?
What?
You take it down?
Alright.
The other stand?
The other side. Cause that don't make sense and it over there some no one for catch a fire then,
Oh yeah. Alright, so peeps. Fire them, stick them a catch.
Some hot charcoal in that fire like the last and I can feel like it's over.
Yeah, man, you can get peace. Hold on, wait till it done burn out. So yeah, man, guys, go and lock in, go and watch how I go on. We check the jackfruit them, guys. Jackfruit them already as it. So say probably Tuesday or so you can come for them. But yeah, man, guys, go and lock in, go and watch how I go on. The scenery is so nice, guys. Just take a look at it. Yeah, man, that is it. And also, guys, I'm showing you this. Basically, these are the coconut milk, guys. It's a jar, so the coconut trash still in there. So so by the time for squeeze out this, the whole of the milk I go come out here, guys. Take a look at it. Yeah, man, we get this nice jar if we put it in. So yeah, man, guys, Sunday dinner settings by the riverside camping. You don't know. Come on, no go on.
Then go tell it life and
Where's it, AJ? Dinner?
Eh?
Dinner that?
Yeah, dinner, bro. I say that one look nice and middle, right?
Ram that,
Yo, now what you now,
Yo! Then take off, bro.
You mix it with green and then something there and just make it cook. With that bun off, yeah, man. Food time, hungry just coming.
Yeah, bro. Real talk. Real talk. Yeah. Whew.
Yeah, man, Tuesday, I need that. Tuesday, bro.
Tuesday, we that.
We that. Bro, I believe in it just now.
Bro, me know, bro. Me not even tell the people. Fire blazing. Yeah.
We got a quick run over, show what we are doing now. So, really, we chop out the brush, chop out the place, make the place look nice. See a couple goats. I'm supposed to post that. But, yeah. So, pot are warm. Come on, sure. Right there. That go on. This. Just now watch this yet. But, so we look at area. So, see it there. So, we look at area. So we're supposed to more than comfortable today, guys. We're more than comfortable. Come on, see that?
Yeah. So, peeps, I'll get raspberry jam going. Yeah. We can get some more. Peeps. Fresh raspberry. We pick it when like 2 days ago.
Yeah, yeah, for really, we have to go mash it out and then mix it with the sugar and just keep on. Okay, when the sugar caramelize,
yeah,
make yours you have brown sugar seem to be perfect.
So peeps, raspberry jam just go on fire, it's looking nice. So AJ the part them there, right this one. AJ I will get it stirred up so you can see the beauty of the raspberry. And if we need any more raspberry, guys, we in nature, literally we can just go over there so get some more raspberry. Find it?
Yeah, man. So someone this is a towel. You see me guys? This is what's hot. That's treasure. This is the best form to do it. You can do this with any really fruits. Anything can do this. Cause common sense.
Yeah, literally.
Common sense. Just see that red, just that red, yeah man, see that red that come in, bro. Yeah man, see when you mix that with the sugar and the sugar caramelize with it, bro. I tell you, this might be one of the top 10 breakfasts you have.
Yeah.
I tell you honest truth.
So peeps, if you can't sip on the pot, I went ahead and put some, what you call it now, dirt to keep it from burning too much. So, yeah man. Alright, AJ, hold the camera there. Alright, now I want to mash it out a little bit.
So you need to mash it out till like it now resemblance the shape it come with it. You know like a raspberry shape, you have to mash it out till it's like almost paste.
Yeah, pasty.
And then as you start get hot and start get to a boil, you can drop this, you can put this in there, so you can start caramelize, yeah. And then that's really it. I would
Me make jam a lot in
yeah, bro.
Guys, you're not gonna see that shortly. I freeze my peach, I freeze my guava. So, yeah. AJ have easier side, my side full of smoke people. Bro. Can't manage it. Burn out all of me eye.
So we just want this to come to a boil. You don't really want to trouble it that much.
Yeah.
If we had,
because you see, even having it like this, boiling it alone I go change the texture.
Yeah, bro.
Say pot cover the right so you can just cover it up. Oh, it a boil already.
Yeah man. Then watch it for like 2 minutes. Remember the sun out, you know, so it's hot, you know.
Yeah.
So by the time it's cool long, bro, we're supposed to eat and we can go swim.
Yeah, cause I'm showing you bull of them guys. We have some nice bulla here. Not sponsored. You see me what? Not sponsored. I've made them know. National, if you watch this, you want to sponsor me, sponsor me. But, come on, see it there? Raspberry jam.
You see that? Oh, it's the top right up. Come out on something fine.
Yeah, it's a fluff up.
Fine, nice.
Nice. Mine are here.
Back here.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah.
See it there. Peeps, go on lock in. Go on watch how I go on. That is it.
Right. If you get some pot this year for work with it, you know. I really want pot this year for your yard, they can, you know. So you can kind of see it from like, you can see the seed them up at the top, but if you just push out the seed them look away, you can kind of see that jam look.
Alright peeps, so I get this covered. So, yeah man, when it done, or soon finish, checking back with them. Yeah man, caveman style. That is it. So, I don't know about AJ, you know, but better look comfortable, you know. Feel like we just hold a look rest. Yeah man, once again sponsored by Atepa. Big up blessings to Atepa, you know. That is it. So, yeah man, go on lock in guys, go on watch how I go on. Soon check in back.
It have that sour taste, bro.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I get it now this.
Wow.
So we do, we make it rest and thicken up. So AJ come in.
It's that red look nice and deep. That deep red.
Take a look. Yeah, so peeps, breakfast almost ready. AJ, what do you think?
Yeah man.
Really
Yeah, man,
active.
food time, man. Food time, you know, man.
So guys, I'm telling you now, what we are gonna do? Well, what me are gonna do? Me I get the pot wash and just put on the peas same time. So when lunchtime reach, peas done cook. Everything. So guys, we have a challenge coming up for you guys. So go on lock in, go and watch how I go and see me. Alright guys, so got the peas right here. I get it inside of the pot. Peeps, you don't know me is a peas person already. So, peas, I get some garlic in there, like a few cloves, not too much. We just twist them like this and then pop right out easy. Alright peeps, so what you going on? Peas, put on fire. So we'll start off breakfast now. Go check in on the jam.
Left the cover home so you could get some air, you know. Time to pull it and see what's going hot, bro. Oh,
Yeah.
money this, you know.
Money that.
Yeah, man.
We're not taking up fully yet. But I mean, in due time, by the time it's supposed to left, it's supposed to tick. Because the sugar I go crystallize again. So guys, we'll get breakfast, get a swim, then we're gonna do a little challenge, try to find some stuff to eat. So go on like in same way. Alright guys, come check in. So we have a jam. So it's cooking. Alright, so this is our kitchen here guys. Don't mind the unorderliness. So that's enough. Alright, so this is mine. So this is a breakfast, bro.
Yep.
Alright, see team presentation. Let's see my presentation there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, go all out, bro.
You see me? I have to put it back for later.
Alright, Brody. So, peeps, you see what going on? Breakfast is served. Watch him up there.
Yo, this tastes so good. The people may not lie to you. Country life is kind of the best, isn't it?
Yeah, like a real talk, man. So, guys, I try out this AJ. Jump down and catch it to me, my G. Don't know, can you taste this here already, you know?
Bro?
So, one
It tastes so good, bro.
Jam and bulla, raspberry jam. Yeah, bro. Alright, bro. Me see what you talk about now.
Like it's really good.
Me see what you talk about. For presentation purposes, guys, raspberry on top. Wow.
You want to sow and it's just mix with it? Just...
Yeah, you see like how you're soaking like that now?
Yeah, bro.
Peeps, absolutely extraordinary, trust me. Alright, peeps, check in. So, we'll leave a tent. Eh? We'll leave a tent, guys. Peas are cooked. Oh, yeah, that rock there, though. Yeah, that rock there massive, guys. You see it? Bro, I never see a rock this big before. Bro.
I know, right?
No joke. Alright guys, go on lock in. We'll go for a little swim and fall back. Yo, brother, this is cold, you know?
You have to just jump off, bro. That's what I'm
Jump off for you,
man. You have to just go in there, dog. You just have to go in there, dog.
What? Sorry. Babes, ice, water, ice. Yo, this worse than around the same. Bro, you're so cold around the same.
Start get warm, trust me. Start get warm. You know that. Start get warm.
Warm. Right. The old socks? Yeah. Alright, without further ado, guys. Hey! Don't do that, bro. You know I'm starting that, bro. You know I'm starting that, bro. Yeah, brother, I think cool, bro. Ah! Yo, the breeze that's so nice though still. Yeah, yes, the deeper. Yeah, yes, the way deeper.
Way deeper, yeah.
Yo. Nah. Guys, we know it look kind of weird, so the water cold. The water cold. I'm not go hide that town. This is not like cold water when you're bathed. This is like ice. This is like an ice bath. Go on, test it now. Test it now, bro. I want to keep this.
Yeah, I'll just put the money where it is.
Bro. Whoa!
Yeah, man.
Yo! Whoa! No, brother, this is not a regular water, man, you.
No, bro.
Yo! Right now, bro. Nah, I'm not putting face in there. I'm putting face in there, no. Night. Yeah, relaxing though, you know.
Yeah, but like, if they get up from the sun, then they can come back when I go to the face.
Yeah.
Like ice, like this. They get up there, they get up right now, they go feel like jump.
Alright guys, check in. I do some more swimming, but we need to check on the pot. So I check on the pot, come back, do some more swimming, guys. So go and stay tuned, go and watch our go, and that is it. We have the little stream coming this way as well. Alright, so as I said, guys, I check on the peas. We don't want it to dry out, you know. We've been swimming for quite a while. So don't want it to burn up. And this one I see, it's bubbling up. Wow. Peas soon done, you know, guys. Fire. Nice and hot. Same way. Yeah man, guys, we gotta get some lunch now. So who can find the most food win, isn't it? The most variety. So guava, berry, orange, anything. Who can find the most like diverse collection win. You see me? Him don't know yet, you know. Me I tell him. So go and lock in, guys. After that, me I take a little rest. Yeah man, time early. Still so good. Peeps, AJ seasoned chicken. Me I cut up natural season chicken. That's a show my thing I do.
See my piece of leg, yeah.
Like so you can manage heat, you know, bro.
No, I'm telling you, no, me take the wallets and run off, you know. God, no, no.
Right, I use this, bro. Yeah.
Let's run up and take up this.
Peeps.
Come on. So that's pretty. Yeah.
Basically, We are go get the chicken on the fire. So watch how I go on, guys. Put the pan fire, we are ready to the water come out. We are get the oil, start frying these. So we are do brown stew. We are gonna use the sugar as the browning. So yeah, you know them style, don't?
Yeah, of course.
So guys, go and stay tuned, go and watch how I go on. That is it. Be sure to like, share, subscribe. Much appreciated. That is it, guys. We in the jungle. Blue Mountain jungle, you know? Yeah, man, that is it. Yo, that's some food hunt time, you know? That's some food hunt time. I'm gonna tell you the rules now. So, who have the most variety of fruit? Win, bro.
I'm gonna say 40.
You say 40. You can't beat me. You can't beat me, nah? You can't beat me, AJ. You can't beat AJ.
Alright,
you can't beat me, bro.
Alright, I like the confidence, but look how I'm reaching.
Peeps, go and stay tuned. Alright guys, so we get the sugar in the pot. Yeah man. So guys, you have to watch this like keenly because you know say if the sugar over caramelize, that ruin the whole taste. Aye.
Yeah, man.
That is it. So peeps, we are gonna get this spot rolling. Then you know, so we are gonna hunt for some berries and some guavas and some, you know. Yeah man, that is it.
One fruit and I beat me with bro.
One fruit?
Yeah, man.
Which fruit that?
Bro, I don't tell you a banana me I catch, you know.
You can't find a banana, yes, bro.
Alright, people, watch now. It's me can't find a banana. You see, me if you can't see it, but me I got point. You see over there, so? A nice bunch of banana over there, so man. Make it go on a nice green banana. And it don't matter if it's green, yellow, or
Boy,
brown,
you
you know.
gonna eat it.
Bro.
It's if you can't eat, bro.
you
If you can't eat, bro.
Alright.
That's the way I talk.
Alright. We must find something, you know.
Hey,
We must find something, you know.
Portland teach me nothing, bro. Me can just go and find 10 different fruit, bro.
Alright.
Mm.
Alright. Say herba bush in it, herba bush in it.
As long as you can eat it right away, bro.
Alright.
Alright.
From front of you, I'm just lick a bite.
Yeah.
I'm swallow it, and
Yeah.
I'm say, yeah, good.
Yeah. Hey, peeps. Super. Some of that.
Come back with the keys at time and garlic and...
As long as you can eat it.
No,
You have to eat it right away.
You can't eat it right
You have to eat it right away, bro.
Vegetable, you
No,
can't
say you have to eat it right away. Right away.
Come on, soon chicken time. If from this thing come, I'm going to be sorry.
Why then?
Yeah, man, come on, you know. See what I'm going to do.
Eat a little try, man. Comfortably, you know. Watch out, I'm sweep it. Hey! Now, sir, this have going on pot, you know.
We have so much tomato and...
Put them in the bag.
Remember this thing,
Yeah, man, remember that, man. So why that have going off your...
Oh, yeah, why that?
Put that there. You think you stick cute?
See what I'm going for this now. Yeah, so... It's
Tell the
nice
people
good...
them want to go and see camera. Tell the
Boy,
people.
watch out now. Guys, watch out. Super mosquito. This product, super mosquito. You can't see them. There's like a lot of mosquitoes in here. I don't know why, but... Yeah.
Yo, AJ, forward, bro, quick.
The money have it to do.
Pot hot, you know, bro. Can start get foamy. Ready, you know? Watch it. See it, AJ, perfect time, man. Get them in there right away.
I love how my piece of leg going in first, you know. I love that, you know. I love that, bro. I love that.
Yeah, bro. Perfect. So, blaze, you know.
Cut that leg, bro.
That's your watch. Yeah. That's it. You got caramel.
Alright, but that's a good taste. You try spring it out. What's on it?
Nice natural seasoning.
Take another piece, you know.
Your piece that.
Yeah, man, take care of that piece, bro.
age I don't know what you're gonna do, bro. Cause I'm going in the tent to sleep, bro. Now if I bust the door them on the tent, touch it. This open. Mosquito not gonna bite me because I'm covered in a repellent. Can't bite me, but nice life this, No, still I'm gonna sleep and then we do the challenge, guys. I'm tired.
Yeah, people. Look at campfire. The campsite. So the killer yard, you know.
I'm not video moving that. Ready, I know, guys. We are move out. So go and lock in.
Right? He might go to like the guava and where I showed him. I'm thinking to go over there, so. But, I'm not gonna people them land.
Get some guava first, because I know say that's the easy +1. You see me? After that, now I get orange, berry. Then, in father have some fruit tree up so. I go get some, when you call it, peach. And I go around and find some more things. Guys, you can't size up and watch him. Are you even move yet? Nobody come that way or this way going. No.
To walk that way to cut across the mountain. You have to cut cram and I have to no water for please nobody,
Walk that way to cut cram. Alright, do your thing. Go on. Go on, man.
Go on past this guy. Go on, look at strategies.
Go on, you know. Guys, go on, lock in. So check in. If the boy gone around this, Nothing around this, guys. I walk through all around this, nothing around this. Peeps, let's see what I'm going on. Lemon tree, this easy +1, man. I just there. You usually climb lemon tree, how you can climb it? One a big lemon there, guys. So check in back, guys.
Right, peeps. So, watch out. Can't see the man, I'm gonna flip the camera. Hold on. She's clearly right there, so taking fruits off of the ugly tree. That type of orange is very ugly, and it's sour.
Peeps, and so I go on. Get 2 lemon. Find lemon tree. I end up climbing tree, guys. Because I say, can't risk them a blow away.
What I'm looking for is exotic type of fruits, Stuff where you're not going to find a bush. I have to find a deep bush, but not sure if I'm going to find anything yet. So, let me go. I go up there. I want to look at secret spot I know about. I go across him. I hope he not see me. I see if I can get some other things and then act like, say, a far bush I come from, Got it.
Alright. Easy does it, guys. Easy does it. Squeeze them and feel them if they're ready for pick. Still tough. Alright, we are go up here, so take a 2 peach tree over here, so extra points of variety, Another one is soft like a butter. Nice. Find an apple tree, but the apple they're not ready yet. They're not ready at all. Good, but man.
Alright guys, this is kind of risky because he can be right up there, so, and I'm coming from all the way over there, so, and me want more things to have on my shirt, show him. So what I'm going to do is I'll be like super silent and like you can hear him, to go up more into the yard and see what I can get. This is what I have right now. And I don't want Josh to see me, so let's sneak.
Peeps, checking reach back at campsite, you know. You don't see me now? Check. I'm not done yet still, but I'm going to check on the food. So AJ, you see that? No win you. No win you. You don't look good at all. Food alright. Yeah. I'm not done yet, guys. I'm not done yet. I keep my stash in my tent though. Even know when there. I don't know when there. Keep my stash in my tent, guys, man. No one thing can catch me in the car. I feel like it's oh, see how the jam look. Babe, see the jam there? Thicken up. Man, look nice. So, hey man, mommy, I get to try this. I get to try this Tuesday. Peeps, the hunt begins again, you know. I save the bury them for last, because I know that's an easy find, you know. Because watch him, just walk and I see 1, 2, 3. Yeah, man, very easy. So that's an easy +1 already. Yeah. No place better than me, I feel playground this, you know, guys. Feel playground this. But he can't beat me same way. Josh Lifestyle J, this, you know, man. Guys, go and lock in.
Guys, so don't want to make too much noise because this is the route he took. You know? Nice, I found cane. I won. Definitely won. No argument. I won. Over here, remember when I was showing the video earlier, guys, with him at this vlog? I was over there so showing the video. This is what he was at. I know I might pick. No. Yeah, for there, obviously for there.
Bro, where you get that? Where you get that?
He's a cane. Yeah,
where you get that?
Don't worry.
Where you get that?
Some people watching now.
Bro.
So, peeps, as I say, I have a lot of stuff. Look at him.
Where you get that?
Where I get what? Cane?
Let me see what you have.
Yeah, man. Go and look at my man.
Watch yo!
Yeah, man.
Alright, I want to see them that chocho there.
Which chocho?
I want to see them that chocho there, bro. This is Susumba. Me have to find a cane piece there. Peeps. Watch out, man. I think I joke thing. Planting. Peeps, alright, watch this out now. Susumba can't eat, you know. Regular. Some over here, so. But how me I gonna reach it? How me I gonna reach a Susumba here, guys? Susumba. Peeps, I don't find something weird. Me see him with something enough to have, you know. I don't know if he going on my bag. I don't know if he going in a secret stash. Go check it and see what I'm going. Boy, no easy, you know.
I got peach, orange, lemon, ugly lemon, yeah, ugly lemon there, a piece of cane also, and I got raspberries.
Alright, peeps. Boy, saying done, you know. Boy, saying done, me see what him have. But say, bro, you done? Let me see what I'm going.
So, you have skeleton? Or skeleton? Find the skeleton, you know. So,
eat the skeleton,
so, eh?
Eat it.
Is there?
Eat it.
No, I'm not the rascal. Where you have?
Eat the coffee too.
Yes, man, of course, watch out. Tempting people. See that?
Swallow it now.
Can't sell coffee bean, you can sell for the skin though, okay?
Really tight?
Yeah, it tastes really nice. You can't eat coffee.
Well, I didn't alone to find still.
You're fine. He's a plan.
Well, Anna, where you stash me?
See me stash ya?
Brother, you know nothing, brother.
Bro, we are talking about my raspberry, see there?
Bro, me show you my stash out.
Alright.
Me show you my stash out. Don't size up.
Bro, what is this? What is this? Are the same exact thing.
Same exact thing, power.
I have guava, I have peach, bro.
Look for your little stash, brother. You don't even have no lime in there, brother.
This is lime. What you talking about? This is lime. This is lime. I know what is lime. Tell me this is not lime.
She has style now, bro. Yeah, I'm in here, brother.
Bro, cause the man live out. Bro, everything I have, I practically have the same thing. Ugly fruit, I have ugly fruit right here, so bro. Peach, cool. There's a piece of yo. Eat this. Eat this.
Yeah, man. Some that can't eat it, brother. No apple.
Bad man. Eat it right now. Eat the piece of green apple. I can't so hungry, bro. I like for losing, you know.
Plain tough guava. Watch it. Look at me nice guava, them, brother. Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah?
Very tough guava, bro.
Yo, eat this now. Killer. Chew up this and eat this right now, bro.
So you not ripe?
I'm gonna eat them ugly fruit that you know. What if I told you I was right below you when you were picking up there, so?
Yeah.
What if I told you I was right? Don't you say cane, you know?
Peeps, I couldn't find no cane, you know. Where you go and find that?
Bro, right below you. Just watch it. You see when you watch over the video on your phone, you have a legit search for me, go. Come on. I have two different types of pH. My father talk about them. Two different types of pH. I'm sure two different types of, you know.
You have two different types now. You have your type and that type.
Okay. Oh, yo, you have lemon? You have lemon? Lemon.
Yo, I'm win, brother.
You know, bro, answer the question, you have
You
lemon.
have plan?
What? Bro, eat the plant.
Eat the chocha, no?
Which way chocho?
Eat the chocha?
Why chocho?
Eat the chocha, I'm see, brother.
Why chocho?
Yeah, sure.
Bro, the food in the purple and done, you know. God knows.
God no.
The most I buy it, you find here in the kind of buy it. When I come here, like all from Duffy buy it with your phone, yeah.
Peach are nice, brother. I'm hungry. Check in pan food. Peeps, I finish up the food and check in back. So I have a rice to put on. This basically soon finish. Yes. Chicken finish, you know. My chicken finish, bro.
Alright.
Alright, taste this. Oh, it's soft.
You want to take salt in this,
Shoo.
what that come on? You can smell chicken, bro. What that taste? Nice. Hungry.
Nice.
Nice.
I'm telling you, only thing you want?
What?
Salt. Did you put salt in it?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, you never put the salt. Me tell me that put the rock salt in there. Come on, when you put rock
Did
salt.
you put regular salt in there?
No, I'm not put regular salt. Let's put regular salt from now then.
Alright, peeps, I drop some regular salt in there. And that's basically it done. Peeps, check in. We have peas right here, you know. AJ, bust it back there, bro.
Ready?
Nice coconut milk. Oh, fire, what is that?
Fire,
Yes, man.
a piece of pepper.
Yeah. Alright, peeps. The pan home stretcher now. Peas and coconut milk a cook down. So, yeah, man. We have the chicken ready. Just need to finish up the rice before time get dark, isn't me? So, go on lock in same way, guys. Go on watch our go on. That's it. Alright, guys, check in again. I get in the rice. Bring out some more water. Alright. Oh. What that? Alright. Rice full. Up the whole pot. So by the time this done, we finish. So go on lock in same way. You see me?
Let's try. Yeah, piece of grass in here.
Piece of grass I made, bro.
You're good.
Alright. That is it, guys. Go on lock in same way. Food soon ready. Peeps. Tired out. Nah, lie, I'm tired, guys. Enough today, no? Chicken, rice, and peas. I want something nice. Tent door, I'm gonna open up. I take a look rest. Food soon finish up. So, go on lock in, same way, go watch how I go on. Alright guys, chicken, rice, nice and chili. So guys, time for share now. I know about AJ, but man, I try to leave some for mommy, but at this point I really know. AJ, what is that?
Morning, me every day now, but they are hungry, you know.
So AJ, you want that one?
One.
Yes,
No, I'm ready to eat, I got screw. Yeah, anything you want, bro.
enough natural seasoning in there now, guys. Boy, AJ afraid of pepper. Guys, as I say, enough natural seasoning in our pot. And this is a lightweight pot, you know, guys. That's why it's so small. AJ say, yo, Josh, get a bigger pot. Who are gonna carry?
Me carry the pot, bro.
You think you can manage to carry?
Yes, man.
Alright, AJ. You say leg you want, bro?
Yes, man, of course, bro.
Alright, come catch.
Set me straight, set me right.
This alone you want?
No?
What else you want?
One second, man.
What else you want?
Bro, just give me something, bro.
You have to tell me, bro.
Need 1 and 2, something there.
AJ, we are eating nice today, now, bro.
Definitely, bro.
Alright, my piece now. Watch him now, guys. Time come like you want to slide me, you know. You see it down, AJ.
You want to celebrate a piece of plate?
Well, AJ, there, so if you want more.
Seconds, yeah, man. Yes, man.
I set the tie because it's that Friday. For mother, me I carry that home.
Alright.
Mother.
How much is that, friend?
Yeah. So, I go feast you now, peeps. Right now, I'm tired like a boy. Nice Sunday dinner at the bush. Tell me if you ever see this before. Probably you have, probably you haven't. I don't know. Mosquito bite.
Bro, I think by my shoes are like, bro.
See this, peeps. I want to salivate. Yo.
Tough? Talk to me, bro.
Tough, bro.
I'm gonna eat
Spicy.
I'm gonna eat onion and thing there, you know.
Yeah. Turn away. There you go.
Alright. Spicy, you want me? Nice, bro.
Spicy.
I'm hungry now. Come on.
Oof.
Very tough, bro.
Boy, I don't know about AJ, you know. But this, it's gonna shell off quick. Nice piece of chicken, this one. AJ, well comfortable, bro.
I'm good, bro. I'm good. TikTok up, everything, signal start pick up. I'm a bit of juice. Yeah, man.
Active.
Nice, bro. Nice.
Me see it, man. Me see you're nice, man.
Just give me a little bit of bug repellent, I'm good.
Bug repellent there, man. Can go in at 10 for. Boy, we are going at 10 to eat this in the car. Then bug ya. Bug ya try mash me up. I can't. Yeah, I'm going to bug ya. I'm have a tent. Go and spray on. Hey man, peeps. No, I mess up the tent, you know. Full of natural seasoning. Oh, nice, man. That is it, guys. Go and lock in. Soon check in back. You know, man, let in some light in our place, kind of hot. But that is it, guys. Alright, guys, check in. So pack up everything. The one spot completely clear, so we're about to leave out now. AJ there with him plant.
Today was really a fun day. I like the experience, and next time, guys, not leak too much, but next time you probably see us some machine. You soon see us on some machine. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Can't leak too much.
Can't leak too much. Can't leak too much. But guys, go and lock in. We're head up back on the trail for go back on the main road. You know, and it's a pretty far walk. So I'm check in with you know, back on reach on the main. So go and stay tuned. Alright peeps, check in. Make it back on the main. Yeah man, you don't know. So yeah man guys, today went smooth. Food was delicious, you know. Yeah man, so I have some for mommy in my bag as well. The jam, me have fair for try as well. Yeah man, so a bit of everything left back fair for try. So guys, that's it for the video. See you guys next time. Peace out.
She didn't want love, I didn't want cash. Going to the